Yeah, just to mention, you don't have to have it boiling hot in your house. You get acclimatized to temperature. So if you've got it at the thermostat on all the time, the heating on all the time, your body's going to get used to being that temperature. If you turn it down, you get used to it, put on a jumper. So things like, if you're just doing the thermostat here for your temperature adjustment, it's always on. If you turn it all the way off here on the thermostat, you're still heating the house because it's still switched on. You want to turn it off there. So you got to do. That way it is off. Saving energy. You get used to the temperature being cold. It's actually quite nice. You're more awake, you're more alert, you're more active.